If you are trying to learn a new language, you have probably come across LingoPie and Doulingo. While both help you improve your language skills, they take very different approaches. In this video, we'll compare their features, pricing, and who each platform is best for. Learning style. Duolingo uses short gamified lessons that teach vocabulary, grammar, reading, listening, and basic speaking. It is designed to keep you motivated with streaks, XP, and daily goals, making it great for beginners. LingoPie, on the other hand, teaches languages through real TV shows, movies, and videos. You can click on subtitles to see translations, save new words, and review them later. It focuses on learning through real world content rather than traditional lessons. Content and features. Duolingo offers structured courses for over 40 languages, making it easy to follow a step-by-step learning path. LingoPie supports fewer languages, but provides authentic content from native speakers, helping you improve listening comprehension, pronunciation, and natural expressions much faster. Pricing. Duolingo has a generous free version with ads. If you want an ad-free experience and extra features, you can upgrade to Super Duolingo or Duolingo Max. LingoPie offers a free trial, but you will need a paid subscription to access its full library of shows and learning tools. Which one is better? Choose Duolingo if you are a complete beginner, want a free option, or prefer short structured lessons you can complete in just a few minutes each day. Choose LingoPie if you already know the basics and want to improve your listening skills, vocabulary, and understanding of how native speakers actually communicate. For the best results, many learners combine both platforms, using Duolingo to build a solid foundation and LingoPie to practice with real-world content. Final verdict. Overall, if you are just starting your language learning journey, Duolingo is the better choice thanks to its structured lessons and free access. But if your goal is to become more fluent and understand real conversations, LingoPie offers a more immersive and realistic learning experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful and useful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews and comparisons. Goodbye.